Well, hello, traders and investors. Today, I want to talk about the surprising upside strength from discount retailers. And I'm going to tell you, over the past few weeks, tech sector as well as the broader market has sold off. I mean, look at this. We're now below the 50-day moving average in the twilight zone. And if you look at Apple, we're talking it lost over 30 points. You're looking at Amazon, this thing lost over 700 points here. Look at this. 35.70. 28.44, not very good. Now, while not all stocks got hit this bad, the S&P 500 is now trading below the 50-day moving average. And over 60% of stocks that are trading above $2 per share are trading below the 200-day moving average, which officially puts the stock market in a bearish cycle. Now, I don't believe that the stock market is ready to move into a long-term bearish cycle, and is more than likely going through a typical September slump, especially in light of the uncertainty that the presidential election brings. Some stocks have bucked the trend and are showing resilience, and that's what I want to talk about in today's video. Now, it seems that discount retailers, which showed resilience in February when the COVID-19 pandemic first struck, are behaving similarly. And it's not a major surprise since staples, consumer staples, stay-at-home, not consumer staples, stay-at-home staples, such as Zoom, Peloton, Roku, continue to show remarkable resilience during the past few weeks, even while the S&P has been cooling off, which tells me that the market may be setting up for another bull run favoring stay-at-home stocks, especially if the COVID-19 continues to linger into the winter without vaccine on the horizon till early 2021, which is not what the market originally expected several months back and priced into its value. Therefore, not only will these stocks keep you defensive, but they should rally over the next few months if COVID begins to flare up once again, or if there are inevitable delays in getting the vaccine into production before 2021, which is very likely. So these are the stocks that I liked, and I've talked about both of them, and I told you to buy them about 4 or 5 months ago, and you would have made out pretty well if you did. So the first stock is Dollar General. Now, this is a discount retailer in the United States. The company separates its merchandise into 4 categories. Highly consumable, seasonal, and seasonal is coming right now. It's upon us. Halloween stores are open already. Home products and basic clothing. Dollar General focuses more on the lower income demographics. That's a demographic that would benefit directly from further stimuli checks, which seem almost certain to be part of any relief package. Everyone agrees on that. Indeed, the checks help fiscal quarter 1 and 2. These results have helped send the stock to all-time highs. New stimulus likely means new highs as well. And even if the stimulus doesn't arrive or is smaller than hoped, investors still own one of the country's best retailers. Valuation is very reasonable, 21 times forward earnings, 5-year return 186%, 5-year revenue growth 46%, 5-year earnings growth 92%, earnings per share versus previous quarter 79% increase. That's big. And the stock remains very strong over the past few weeks, completely bucking the trend. Look at the S&P, look at that. And then look at Dollar General. Couldn't even break the 50-day moving average. I love that. Relative strength is intact, and we should see higher prices soon. The stock has a price target of $255, which is about $50 higher than it is right now, giving investors something to look forward to over the next few quarters. I love the stock. It's been really consistent. Volatility hasn't picked up. It's making all-time highs when stock markets are sagging. This is very, very positive. The other stock, and this shouldn't be a big surprise, look at this, gapped up and now has a round bottom, a round top with a breakout. I love it. It's Target, large format general merchandise and food discount store in the United States. A lot of people shop at Target. Earnings per share versus previous quarter, 472% increase. Earnings per share versus previous year, 85%. 5-year earnings growth, 50%. The stock is earning 50 times more than 5 years. It's amazing, really, and it's a big store. This is a stock that was already a mature company about 5 years ago. Dividend grew 36.84% in the last 5 years. Earning surprises and earning estimates have beaten expectations in the last 4 quarters, and technically the stock is ready for additional upside. There's a short-term price target of about $180 per share, and I believe we'll see those levels before the year is over, assuming the market stays bullish or neutral, even moves down to neutral. So I like these stocks a lot. Now, folks, I've got something really, really big for you. So these stocks are very defensive, and I think no matter which way the economy goes, you're going to see upside from these stocks, especially if we have delays and uncertainty in election and vaccine, which these two companies are betting on. Now, folks, I cannot emphasize how important Chuck, the 10-time trading champion, world trading champion, trophy trades really are. For the first time in history, he's revealing the secret behind his 20 years of success without a single down year. Chuck has made over $1 million this year alone thanks to his trophy trade system. And had you traded it over the last 2 decades, are you ready for this? You would have made $13.5 million. That's over $56,000 a month. Not a year, a month. And he says that even had a trade lined up for you that could earn you thousands of dollars in a matter of days, and it's waiting for you right now. And the stock is doing really well as we speak. Don't waste another minute. Chuck is a 10-time world trading champion. He's got 10 world trading competition awards, 97% accuracy, 151% average winning trade. You don't want to miss this. Don't waste another minute. Click on the link below to get in on Chuck's secret today. You don't want to miss out on this. 20 years of success without a single losing year. I'm going to get in on Chuck's plan. I'll talk to you guys later and have a great day. Bye, guys.